everyone! Thanks for joining me in the Allan block workshop to learn about the AB Metro Patio wall products. Today, I'm going to show you some of the basic details of the blocks and how it is so easy to build with using a 1, 2, 3 pattern. You hear us refer to the magic 1, 2, 3 pattern. Why? Because if you follow these steps, you will maximize the use of all of the block shapes, eliminate seams, and simplify the installation. Let's get started. The AB Metro patio wall has the three shapes, the AB Metro 8, 16, and 24, also referred to as a 1, 2, and 3 core. To start, we always recommend using a 3 core block. Since it is the largest block, it will be the easiest to level and get you headed in the right direction. The 2 core block comes next, followed by the 1 core. Now always make sure they are level and straight as you proceed. Repeat this pattern of 3, 2, 1 as you build your patio wall. On the next course, you will reverse the pattern. Center the 1 core block in the middle of the 3 core block and place the 2 core and 3 core in the opposite direction from the course below. You will see that the base course is 3, 2, 1 and the second course is 1, 2, 3. You will continue these patterns throughout your wall construction. Here we are starting against this existing structure with a 3 core block. Using the pattern, we are building the first course to ensure proper layout. For the second course, start with a 1 core directly on top of the 3 core, then follow the 1, 2, 3 pattern. With this modular system, fill in the space to complete the second course against the structure with a 1 core block. No cutting. Continue this process for each course and finish with the caps. Within our reference guide, you can see more information on building with the AB Metro patio wall. Watch some of our other videos where we show you how easy it is to build corners, columns, and more on allanblock.com. Happy building! Always better, always Allan Block.